Terri, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I'm so glad you're here today. And I feel like we just did this maybe a week or so ago, but I got my next glossy box. I would show it to you. This box is $21 a month, and you get a mix of deluxe and full-size samples in here. And I'm excited. Glossy box always impresses me. They have these beautiful boxes. They're so nice, and they always come with great items. I haven't looked into this one yet. So inside you have, it says World of Beauty. This is our little card that's going to tell us what came in. And then, oh, look at this. Oh, World of Beauty. Well, that makes sense now. Okay, so it's got paper with the world on it. It's a pretty little bow and a sticker. So the presentation is always really nice with a glossy box. And then the inside. These boxes are so great to reuse. They're just they're really just beautiful. I use them for all types of things to like organize and stuff. So speaking of which, I have so much organizing to do, but we're gonna see what we got in here first. All right, the first item in here is by Tony Moly. I've had these before. I do like these. These are cleansing tissues. These are refreshing care and cleansing tissues. There's just 8 of them in here. These retail for $7, and they are peach punch cleansing tissues, so they smell like peach punch. These are from Korea, and they're gentle cleanse, and they have 100 ppm peach extract. They help remove impurities and brighten and hydrate the skin. So they are a cleansing cloth that does a little bit more than just cleans your skin. So those are really, really nice. Again, those are just like little samples though. Looks like we got more samples in this box than normal, unfortunately. I don't see too much full-size stuff in here. All right, so this is High Expectations Facial Oil. Looks like there are 2 of them in here. These retail for the full size $40.54. I'm sorry, one's 40 and one's 54. I think they're different things. This is Cannabis Facial Moisturizer, and this is Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. So you have the oil and moisturizer, which is with the cannabis in it. And it says it's made in the USA. Melissa Johim found benefits in cannabis sativa that have truly remarkable results for skin. These little numbers are no exception, hydrating and giving intensive repair. The moisturizer and oil combo is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. So it says save the oil for nighttime and then press onto your skin. I guess use the moisturizer during the day. But again, these are expensive, 40 and 54 for the full size. There is the brand. It's called High. So if you can see. Those are really small. I wish at least we would have gotten a few more samples. This isn't going to go very far. So far, not super impressed with this box. All right, next up, we got something from Model Co. This is liquid metal eyeshadow. This is $19. This may be a full size. I think it is. From Australia, the velvety eyeshadow delivers color in a single swipe, dries instantly to lock in a light, weightless shine. All right, so let's take a look. I got the color, maybe. All right, let's open it up because it doesn't say the color on here, on this package anyway. Ooh, this is pretty. Champagne is the color. Here it is. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful liquid shadow. I'm sure I will definitely use that. That's really pretty. Today, by the way, I'm wearing Pat McGrath, the Divine Rose 2 on my eyes. So that's nice because this isn't full size and this is $19 value and the whole box was $21. So did you get your money's worth out of it just with these 3 items? You absolutely did. All right, then we have a mask. I feel like these are like $3 for companies to throw in. It says this one's $18. This is a vitamin C energizing face mask, brighten and renew. Well, we'll see. It is by Rodile, which is a good brand. It says, say hello to brighter looking skin with the instantly rejuvenating, retexturizing, illuminating mask from one of the top skincare brands in the UK. It has vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, hyaluronic acid. Consider this a tremendous boost to your routine. I may use this tonight. But it says it's $18 for one mask. To me, that's excessive. These masks are very cheap. Even some of the Tatcha masks aren't this expensive. So there's that. And then the final item, is it the final item? Oh no, there's something hiding down here. Okay. So then we have something by Coors. This is a Greek yogurt nourishing probiotic gel cream. I do not know what this is for. Let's read up on this. This is full size is 36. The deluxe size 20 milliliters is 18. That's what we have. Okay, so let me bring it in so you can see. So this is an $18 value. So again, you got your, you got your money's worth out of this, and Coors is a good brand. Rich in collagen building protein, the Greek moisturizer is perfect for reducing redness, adding a plump bounce to your skin that lasts all day. It's clinically proven microbiome friendly technology will not disrupt your skin's natural barrier, giving you an ultimate glow. So I have a lot of moisturizers open right now, so I won't be opening that right now, but that will go probably in one of my travel bags. All right, and there is one more thing in here. This is a lip serum by Decorte. I have no idea what this is, so we're gonna find out together. I don't know if you guys know what it is. I don't know. Okay, so this is the Deluxe Mini 9 milliliters. This is $22.50. The full size, which is 20 milliliters, which would be the size of this other sample, that's 20 milliliters, and this little one's 9, is $50. Okay, it says infusing skin all day with hydration to help repair and protect. The serum is engineered to time release layer by layer. Its biometric philosophids, don't know if I'm saying that right, continuously hydrate skin from within, promoting powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine line. Apparently this is Japanese beauty. So there we go, my friends. So all in all, I would say, this box was just okay. It certainly wasn't my favorite. This is definitely a lot more deluxe samples this time, and versus like sometimes we get the full size item. So you have this little guy. You have a deluxe sample here. You have, wouldn't say those are deluxe samples of those. That's disappointing, actually. You have a full size of the liquid eyeshadow. You have 8 of the little cloths by Tony Moly. And you have an $18 mask for your face by Rodale. Not a bad box, not my best one. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box and if you got it yourself. And would you pay $21 for it? I know I did the comparison with Allure Beauty and Glossybox and Birchbox the last time, and that Glossybox that we opened up was fabulous. And usually I really, really like Glossybox. So this just wasn't my favorite, but do I think this one was worth it? Yeah, I still think it was. It just, like I said, wasn't my fave. So anyway, guys, if you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and hit the like button and comment below. Tell me where you're from so I can welcome you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.